In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the entire Perplexity chat as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a full conversation in a clean, portable file you can save, share, or print. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Perplexity A. Give the page a second to load, and make sure you're signed into the account where your conversation lives. This works best on desktop, but the flow is very similar on laptops and larger tablets. If you keep multiple tabs open, it helps to dedicate one tab to Perplexity so you don't lose your place while exporting. Next, open the specific chat you want to download. You can find your recent conversations from the main view. Look for your recent chats and select the one you want. When the chat opens, wait a moment for the entire thread to render. If it's a longer exchange, scrolling briefly ensures all messages are visible and included. This is especially helpful if the conversation spans many turns or includes extended answers. If you rename the chat earlier, that name will usually carry over to the file, making it easier to identify later. With the chat on screen, look for the three dots, often called the More or Overflow menu. You'll typically see this in the top right area of the chat header. Click it to reveal the options and choose Export as PDF. Perplexity will start preparing the document. For shorter chats, this happens almost instantly. For longer ones, allow a few extra seconds while it compiles everything into a single file. Your browser may show a save dialog or automatically place the file in your default downloads folder. If you see a prompt, pick a destination folder you'll remember and confirm the save. You can also rename the file here so it's easier to find later. For example, something descriptive that matches the topic of the chat. Once it finishes downloading, open the PDF to double-check that the entire thread appears as expected, including questions, answers, and any inline references. If you don't immediately see export as PDF, ensure you're viewing the full conversation rather than the home screen, and try maximizing your window so the menu is visible. On smaller screens, the menu may be tucked behind an icon. Expanding the window usually brings it into view. That's all there is to it. Go to Perplexity, open the chat you want, then use the three-dot menu to export as PDF. Save it where you like, and you're ready to archive, share, or print your conversation whenever you need it.